Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to draw a centerline line type in AutoCAD, so let's get started. First, type Linetype in the command line and press Enter. Over here, the Linetype Manager will open, then click on the Load button. After that, a list of available line types will appear, then scroll or press the letter C on your keyboard to find the centerline option quickly. Over here, select the centerline line type, then choose the size that fits your project and click OK. After that, the centerline will be added to your drawing line type list. Then, select the lines that you want to update. Over here, go to the Properties section on the Home tab, then find the Line Type drop-down list. After that, click the drop-down and select the centerline line type from the list. Then, check your drawing and confirm that the selected lines have been updated successfully. Over here, adjust the line type scale if needed to improve visibility and clarity. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.